Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best affordable stick welders in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Dekopro Arc Welder. This welder allows you to attain a professional finish in your welding projects. It is packed with versatility and easy-to-use features. It can be used for various thin steel welding processes. Using this welding tool, you can get many benefits from the MMA welding process. The created welds would be sturdy, the rod flows uniformly, and it is easy to start the arc. Looking at the key features, this welder machine comes with the advanced IGBT inverter technology. The power source required for its operation is 110/220V. It comes with a rated duty cycle of 40/60%. This welder can weld steel, mild steel, stainless steel, cast iron, aluminum, and other metals. The IGBT power device with exceptional control mode enhances the reliability of the machine. This MMA welder is famous for its energy efficiency. There is a reduction in the damage of iron and copper. Moreover, there is an increment in the welding frequency. The machine comes with closed-loop feedback control. This stabilizes the output voltage and provides powerful adaptability for the electricity network. The welding voltage can continue to adjust to precisely match welding current. To provide portability, the manufacturer has equipped it with an easy carrying handle. Moreover, the compact design provides ease of storage and transportation. It can be used anywhere. Its pack contains the welder unit, electrode holder with cable, work clamp with cable, input power adapter cable and amp, plug, a brush, and owner's manual. Number 2. Our second best pick is TOOLIOM Arc Stick Welder. This arc stick welder is an affordable option for welding mild steel and other types of metals. With a compact design and advanced digital features, this welder allows for maximum portability and user convenience. Whether you are a hobbyist or a professional, this welder is suitable for your welding applications. As this welder comes with dual voltage input design, you can operate the equipment at 120V or 230V. With an output current of up to 195A, you can handle E6010/6011/6013/6014 and 7018 cellulose electrodes. This arc stick welder comes with a rated duty cycle of 60%. There is a smart digital display that provides intuitive information such as the output welding current. Besides, there is also an alarm LED and adjustable knob. Even if you are a beginner, these features allow you to use the stick welder conveniently. Coming to the performance, the stick welder uses an anti-stick feature to prevent the electrodes from sticking on the work plate and affecting the quality of the welds. The dig arc force produces a smooth arc on cellulose that makes the welding electrode smooth yet sturdy. You won't have a difficult time when starting the arc thanks to the hot start feature. You can quickly and effortlessly start this stick welder. As a professional welder, you will have to carry the stick welder to different job sites. Keeping this in mind, TOOLIOM has made this welder highly portable with a compact and lightweight design. Besides, the stick welder comes with an adjustable shoulder strap to help you conveniently carry it. There's also an easy carrying handle for maximum portability. Number 3. Our third best pick is SIMDER Arc Welder. For beginners and for those who want to perform small repairs at the home, this DC welding machine is a great choice. It is sturdily built and provides high performance for different applications. There are various safety features included. You can use this appliance for fixing objects or welding two metallic body parts. There is the implementation of advanced IGBT technology. The power source requirement is dual voltage 110V/220V. The rated duty cycle is 60%. When used in the dual voltage advanced control mode, this mini electric welder boosts the efficiency of the welding process. In the structure of this arc welder, the 3.2 mm rods are present. They are suitable for whole-day welding. These rods are suitable for welding all types of ferrous metals like carbon steel, alloy steel, and medium carbon steel. Taking a look at the safety features implemented, this welding machine comes with anti-stick protection and thermal overload. These safety features provide reliability and give you peace of mind. Due to the lightweight and compact size, it offers portability. Being easy to use, beginners can use it to practice and can use it for small welding tasks. With the appropriate use, it is easy to. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Forney Arc Welder. For professional welders or DIY enthusiasts, this is a suitable choice. It is a great welder machine for use in the house. For occasional weld repairs on the light gauge metal, this arc welder works flawlessly. The lightweight design offers portability. It comes with the Easy Start technology and inverter power system. The inverter power system is lightweight and easy to use. So, it guarantees hassle-free operation and high-performance results. The Easy Start technology makes every arc strike simple. The power source needed is an electric 120V supply. The output is 90A. The duty cycle is 30%. This welder is TIG capable. It is efficiently designed to accommodate up to a 0.125-inch electrode. Furthermore, it can weld 16 gauge up to 0.3125-inch thickness. The machine is easy to use and portable. So, you can take it anywhere you want. The applications of this welder include DIY welding projects, maintenance, and repair. For dome automotive applications and the projects in the house, this machine is a good choice. It is highly suitable for beginners and works perfectly for small jobs. You can use it to weld up a grill for your yard. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is S7 Arc Stick Welder. This arc welder machine mentioned above is not just a welding machine but also a machine for the art. Due to its energy-saving design, it can weld all types of ferrous metals like medium carbon steel, and alloy steel. The machine packs huge power and is made in a portable design. Due to the energy-saving feature, this welder machine can decrease the damage of iron and copper. There is a noticeable boost in the welding frequency and energy conservation is excellent. With the help of closed-loop feedback control, the voltage at the output is stable. There is the availability of 5 convenient quick connections for the output. This makes it safe and quick in operation. To convey portability, this arc welder machine is equipped with an easy carrying handle. The compact design offers ease of storage and transportation. So, it can be conveniently used anywhere. The display is bright and easy to read. The pack contains this arc welding machine, a 110-220V conversion line adapter, a stick welding rod electrode holder, an arc welding ground clamp, 2 quick plugs, a strap, and a welder operation manual. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.